Today on LD3D Open Box Series, FilamentOne PROFI Box.
Alright, today we have a new product. It's a monthly subscription as well. This one is by FilamentOne. It's called the PROFI Box. Now the difference between this and a lot of others is they give you test sample size, where in this box we should have full kilo rolls. Now you get two inside of this box according to the subscription. They're going to be varying colors, but they are their Pro Select grade, which is really great. So without further ado, let's get into this box and see what the magic has in here. So there was a little bit of box damage when I received the box, but hopefully everything's okay. So let's get right into it. Alright. So to start out with, let me turn this around so everything is straight for you. Just to show you, it is packed really, really well. We get, wow, these are great little cutters. And the tips are really straight and even. Wow, those are great. They're by Plato, and they're a model 170. So those are really cool to get with the order. I didn't expect to get those. We do get our little treat inside of there with the filament order, which is kind of cool. We do get our Filament Frenzy sticker that's going to go up on the sticker wall. And then we have a little information. It says this month's filament is Pro Select Glint Red. Ooh, a red. And we have Pro Select White Aluminum. And then our accessory for this month is our cutters. We have a 40% off ASA filament. There's a promo code. And you can use the group project to do some group projects with them as well. I didn't know they had group projects, so that'll be interesting to see. And of course, this is the July edition of their PROFI box. There's another little piece of cardboard, some packaging, and oh wow, that is a gorgeous, gorgeous silver or aluminum. And it truly does look like silver anodized aluminum. And it's a full kilo. It is packed really well. It's not vacuum sealed, it's just put in the plastic, but it is PLA, so that shouldn't be a concern. The temperature ratings, let's look at that. So it says 195 to 215 C, and the heated bed should be 50 to 60 degrees. So, really awesome. And it's a 1.75, of course, for use on the CR10S Pro. And then there is another little pamphlet information. It just talks about some of their other brands, which is like E3D, Bondtech, and really cool, some really great information. There's going to be some extra accessories, so promotions, there might be some magic goo, there might be nozzles, so really cool stuff. You never know what that extra accessory is when you order. And then some more packaging. This. Go. And oh, this is that red. Oh, this is really beautiful. It's kind of like almost a red orange with these beautiful teeny tiny golden flakes in it. And it's kind of a semi-translucent filament, it looks like. Really beautiful. Again, 205, 225 on the nozzle temperature, and 55 to 65 degrees for the build bed. And that's a 1.75 as well. Some more packaging material, and that's everything in our box. So this is really, really great stuff. FilamentOne makes their own filaments. They are a really well printing filament. Everything that I have printed with them has turned out absolutely wonderful. Their temperatures hold pretty true in their ranges, so it depends on your part. Make sure you regulate your temperature to get rid of those strings and blobs. And that concludes this open box. So remember to subscribe, ring that bell below, and we're going to bring other subscriptions to you every single month so you can see what they are and see if they're a good value for you. This one was the PROFI Box, and this is by FilamentOne. And I hope that you've enjoyed this episode, and remember to enjoy your printing. Happy printing, you guys, and bye for now.